All right, trading week of September 17th to 23. Uh, let's just start with Dixie. Weekly, this is what we get here. Triple tops of some sort, more so a double top than it is triple top. Uh, we did, let me see, bounced off of this level here. Price started to go up. We filled this imbalance here as well as hit that, um, yeah, hit the imbalance. We filled it. So this is what we have here, a 4 hour and daily fair value gap in which we touched and pushed above. So after that, um, have these double bottoms here, as well as price moving above the daily fair value gap, as well as this inverse fair value gap. And I was expecting price to run these triple tops, in which it didn't. So let's go down to GBP USD. I had one setup midweek, and then I took one trade today. So the setup in midweek I did not take because it didn't hit my area. So here we are on the weekly. We're breaking lows, right? Breaking lows. Broke this low here. Now we're in the 4 hour. So this is what I see, right? We have many lows here that I marked off just for sell side liquidity. Just because the market's been bearish. So I want to look for sells down to the 4 hour. I believe this is when yep, so these are a little more clear in terms of what I'm looking for. So double bottoms here, there's a low, and then obviously the lower low there. So, oh crap, we ran through those already. Okay, cool. So actually I was looking at these here. So same thing. I'm just looking at lows for me to target, and they're labeled here on the right side of the screen. So we have a 4 hour order block, a low, and then another low. And then here's another target. So as we can see here, we tapped into the 4 hour order block once, twice, three times. Let's go into the 2 hour just so we can see market structure. This is what we get. I'm going to start with this one at the top first. So this was a Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday. What I was looking for was for price to trade above this high here, tap some type of order block here, entry on the green line, expecting the sell off, and the market didn't tap it, so no trade there. I'm gonna scale in just to see what market structure looked like. So here, maybe I could have played this buy candle, but we tapped it once. I wasn't expecting price to come to that same area. I wanted it to come higher to the order block or inefficiency, which we didn't get. Um, so here's the Tuesday. Market sold off, I guess took sell side liquidity, traded back up, and then sold off for its actual move. Cool. Here now going to Friday, I took a loss on this. Risked 1%, lost at 1%. Here's what I saw. So we tapped the 4 hour order block, market or price moved above. We came back to it. I was expecting to sell. Crazy part is I think I had this marked off before I executed the trade. So I wanted price to come here. What I did was, let's scale out just to see. So I took my fib, had it there. Was I reaching for that? Let's see. Well, I had my fib somewhere here. Yeah, I think I had it there. 30-minute. Um, yeah, so what I considered was we have high to low, and then price moves above, we start making lows, or sorry, lower highs, and then we have another low. So this high here to this low, draw the fib on top of that. I'm gonna just do it again. So high to low, that should have been my entry on that 1 hour order block here for the sell. I'm gonna scale in. I took a trade off of this. I think I stupidly was just so dialed in into the 5 minute. Yeah, we tapped into the order block. I was expecting price to move higher and sell off again. Crazy, I had these marked up when I woke up, or when I woke up, I marked these off. So price is stepping up. I took the entry here because on the 15 minute, I'm playing this candle here for the sell, in which we do get, but price wanted to move up, and as we can see with the Dixie, they're both going. As we can see with the Dixie on the top, we had sell side liquidity, and the market came to take it. So it pushed up into this order block here, sold off, and GU did the complete opposite. So we had buy side liquidity here, order block, all this buy side. I had this marked off previously. So what the market did, tap the order block, 4 hour order block, move price higher, and just keep pushing higher. So I mean, I'm with the market, so I was expecting lower prices on GU, and on the Dixie, I was the opposite. I was looking for higher prices. I was expecting the triple top to be taken out. Strong bullish candle here, but I guess that was a fake out. Yeah, can't do nothing about it. So let's move on. Let's go NAS 100. Let's start off in the daily. So this is where we're at. Trading at this sell to buy candle. We broke a ton of lows, so I've been bearish for a few weeks. 4 hour time frame. Uh, yeah, see the 4 hour order block. Nothing crazy. Price taps it. Hindsight 2020, we can see what price is doing now. I just bought, kept going higher. I did take a trade here. So let's start on Wednesday. Um, so on Wednesday, I took a trade on the funded account, but unfortunately, I did not know. This is my first trade on it, so I did not know what lot sizes and stuff like that. Really good setup. I was really confident, really confident. So this is that Wednesday. Yep. So this is what we're looking at. I have liquidity, low, sell side liquidity drawn here. We took it. So price traded above. Let me just scale in. So here we have an imbalance, fair value gap, marked it off. We traded up into it. Scale in again. So that was my entry off of that fair value gap. And on 30-minute, we even see that last order block, the buy to sell. So that was my entry on it. Let me scale all the way in. Boom, that was the entry. NTP smashed. Let's see what the RR was. 1 to 5. Yep. Cool. So today's trade, Friday morning, took a short. So, playing this candle here, scaling in, fair value gap. I marked the open of it with that black line, or I should say the whatever it's called, fair value gap high. Price didn't tap it, but I still sold. Because on other brokers, it actually got the sell limit got activated. So took that trade. I expected price to keep selling, but because the Dixie was bearish, that moved prices higher here. So we see that buy move. But I did get an entry here. Market pushed down. I kind of held just to see what the market would do, and I pulled out around here. Yeah, pretty much a 1-to-1 RR. And that's it. We did have news today, 9:45 in the morning, so I'm debating if I'm going to be trading news or not, because this was pretty crazy and volatile, and I didn't risk too much. I risked like 0.3%. I'm still trying to figure out my lot sizes. And here, just so we can see what S&P looked like, this is what we got. Scale it out. Yep. All right, let's get it next week.